Okay, I'm going to attempt to show how the coil whine on my Surface Pro 4 modulates depending on what's going on the screen and also when I touch the screen with my finger. So here is a web page with a video, and the coil whine is loud here, and I have a new tab over here. When I switch to that, coil whine decreases in volume. So I'm going to put the phone up to the top of the computer so you can hear it. This is on this page with the video. Okay, this is on the page without the video. Go back to the page with the video. And back to the page without the video. Okay, now I will go back to the page with the video and try to show that when I touch the screen with my finger, it also changes the sound. This is without touching, and now I'm touching. Without touching, and now I'm touching. Okay, that's it.